Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, class 7th. Today we are going to complete our exercise 17A from page number 221 from question number 5. The length of a rectangle is twice its breadth. The length is twice than its breadth. Find the perimeter if its length is 12 centimeter. Length is given 12 centimeter. It means the breadth it was 2 times, so you have to divide it 12 to find its breadth, and then you have to find the formula area of perimeter. Length is given 12 centimeter and breadth you will divide it by 2, that is 6 centimeters. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B, so you have to add up you have to insert the values into this formula to find out the answer. Now come for question number 6. That is, the statement is a rectangular piece of land measure 8 by 5, means 1 is its length and 1 is its breadth. It is to be fenced with 4 lines of wire. What length of wire is it needed? So 1 is its length and 1 is its breadth. First you have to find its area, that is area of the garden. 2 into L plus B, that is 26 meters. If you want to find the 4 lines of wire, you will multiply this 26 by 4. They will become 104 square meter of wire will be required to fence the 4 lines around the garden. Now come for question number 7. A rectangular garden is 105 meter by 75. 1 is its length and 1 is its breadth. How many rounds of this garden will a boy complete if he runs 3600 meters? So first thing that you have to do, that is to find the area of the garden, that is 2 multiplied by length by plus its breadth. Then after finding that, you have to divide that area by the running meters, 3600 by the area that you will find. In question number 8, that you have to find out the shaded areas. Find the areas of the shaded parts. The square has the shaded area around its 4 sides. First you have to find out the greater area, then you have to find out the smaller square area, then you have to subtract smaller from the greater area, like this. As I told you that you have to find the area of the big square. The greater sides are 15 meters. So as you know that the formula of finding out the area of a square, that is L square. So that is 15 square. The area of small square is 9 meter. So that will be 81 meters. 9 square is 81 meter. Now the area of shaded region, you have to subtract this from this. 15 minus 9. 15 square minus 9 square, that will be 225 minus 81, that will become 144 meter square. And now come for the second part of this question. The area of the shaded region. The area of this rectangular box is 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20 meters. The area of this rectangle is also 5 meter wide. So the area of this region will be 8 multiplied by 5, 40 meters. This is a trapezium. So what the formula of finding out the area of trapezium? That is 1 by 2 sum of its parallel sides multiplied with its altitude. 1 by 2 sum of its parallel sides. These are its parallel sides. This one is also a parallel side and this is also its parallel side. So the sum of these parallel sides is 8 plus 5, and it multiplied by its altitude. Its altitude is 5 meters. So we will multiply it by 5, and then you have to find its solution. This is the formula and the values are inserted. You have to calculate and find out the answer. Now come for question number 9. That is, find the area of a floor which is covered by 10-50 tiles, each tile measuring 20 square centimeters. each tile is covered 20 square centimeters. First of all, you have to convert the centimeters into meters. First we will area of a tile 20 square centimeters. So after dividing it by 100, it will become 0.02. And then you have to know that how many tiles will cover this area, which is covered by 1050 tiles. So measuring find the area. So you will multiply 0.02 by 1050 to get the answer. That will be your answer. Now come for question number 10. That is, find the cost of tiling the floor of a room 12 meters by 9 meters at rupees per. First of all, you have to find the area of these tiles. The formula to finding out the area is 2 into L plus B. Then you have to multiply that area by rupees 50. Then 11 question will be done next, but question number 12 first. Find the perimeter of a square equal in area of two squares whose sides are 12 meters and 5 meters respectively. Two sides are first having 12 and the second having 5. Two rooms are square rooms, 12 sides and the sides that are 5. So first you have to find the area of one room. Question number 12. In this question, two squares are given. The first square is 12 meters and the second is 5. First of all, you have to find the area of both square, that is 12 square and 5 square, 144 and 25 respectively. Now we have to combine the both squares. This square was 12 centimeter and this was, you can say, 5. Okay, now these both are 169 square meters. This is 169 square meter, and you have to find its perimeter. You have to make them into with the you have to remove its square. So you will take its square root. 169, 13 will be the square root of 169. So you will cancel the square by square root to get the answer of 13.